So anyway, these are things that I find out on my own, like I was saying. No one tells me about it. So, you want to basically keep your house up. Me, I like to, you couldn't tell because I told him to take it outside 20 times. Did you think he took it out? No. So, I don't take out trash, but I guess I'm going to have to. When he's 16, he's almost out. So, for instance, this wall is framed. If you would look, okay, up close. So, I don't know. You know how it's like cracked and damaged? But my landlord is the shit, and he's supposed to be coming to fix our house. But in the meantime, I'm going to keep it up together. You know, look at the critters. So, see, you're just gonna... I'm not the best painter, in which... Hold on. I learned this. Some guy taught me this. You wouldn't believe guys are sometimes handy as fuck. Freak. Yeah. That part. Okay, you see how it's cracking and stuff? Right. So you want to put that right there. Okay. So you want to put that right there. To make it easier, I'm a messy painter. No one hired me to paint their house. I paint my own house. Okay, so bam. And then if you also want to put one at the bottom, you know, because probably that's where I should put one. And then you'll just, you know, freshen it up. Person that's a little more... Then I'm trying to hold this and the vape. You know what I'm saying? Multi-talented ass girl. Okay. Bam. If you're a painter, like, I'll wipe all this stuff off, though, I promise. And then scoot it down. Okay. Whichever works better for you on the brushes. Obviously, I don't know which one works better for me. This big one sure didn't work good, but... So, like I was saying, once again, for right here as well. Grip the brush. So basically, you're just, the whole point of it, of my video is to get your house. And these microfiber towels, oh my God, I should work from there. These microfiber towels at Walmart are the best. You get a 40 pack for $8, or for $9, where I'm at. So, and they are the best. They dry up your bathroom cabinets. Like, you don't have to go over paper towel. You're awesomely doing that. So, bam. I wish I had my 4K camera. I will have that here soon. Just give me a second. This is just, you know what? The getaway is drywall. Drywall will in the cracks. And can you get my cock gun? Here. Cut this. Actually, I'm going to cock this, okay, guys? He should have been came and did it. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. So, you want to go in there. Throw a little cock in there. Yeah. Get all that shit cocked all in. Take your hand, because it's not going to hurt you. Smooth it. Smooth it. Ooh. Smooth it. Good as new. What I'm telling you. I'm the best. I got to do my back door, y'all, to see it. Oh, my back door is gettable. But, once again, my landlord's the shit. So, I say, I just ain't never had shit, so I don't want to fuck up something that I really like. I love this house. All I got to do is get some new tile. Right there. Put it right there. Like, I'm about to show y'all what it really is. But back to this. I'm going to finish this project. I want to let that dry a little bit. Like I'm saying, just go up the wall. Just mug back together. Make it look new again, at least. Because I know when I walked in, I loved it. Now I'm like, oh my God, look at these walls. I'm not the best painter, like I said. I do for a single mother. Even though my baby sister, 18, 16, and I'm going to be at home board, so I need something to keep me company. Until then. Okay? So. Terrible. I'm a messy painter. I'm a messy painter, guys. But anyway, my house is gonna look. Well, this area will look back decent. I still gotta finish my kitchen. Like, did my bathroom. I'm gonna show y'all that. Can y'all get these clothes started, please? I don't know why I'm asking that because I'm going to end up having to ask it 21 times. And can you stop the water, Joe? The water's going to evaporate. I guess all I asked him to do is start it, so he didn't know he had to watch it. That's the part about not having a little bitty person no more. You can't tell them what to do all the time. So, like, damn, I don't feel like doing that. What happened to my little my champ? Bitch can't get the nigga to do shit. I'll be hollering for the rest of my life. If I thought hollering was going to make a difference. It hasn't and will not. Not with the kids that I've raised. They're immune to that. That yelling stuff don't do nothing. They tune that out real fast. I'm in here finna die trying to yell. Sounding stupid. Take it out! Like, come the fuck on, lady. You're here finna die, okay? No, you done smoked tobacco your whole motherfucking life. Head ass. Okay. But, okay, I'm gonna get to an area where you can see, because obviously my camera's up. And hopefully it shows up clear on people that got good devices that they're watching it from. Okay. Okay. So, bottom, remember how it looked before? Perfect. Even hit that. So now we're gonna go over here, and this one's pretty much good. I want to do this back door. I'll show you how I'm going to do this back door, by the way. Show you how I'm going to do this back door. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm not fucking with it. I can't do it. Anyway. So if you get up close to it, it's terrible. See? All around. So this is me doing my work. This is me doing my slight work as a tenant. Not a homeowner, but a tenant. Okay. Clearly I'm out of shape. So I'm surely this isn't what you use, and I could use my fingers, but I just don't feel like using my fingers right now.